Hi, so here we are back at the front page of the Lakeshore Express blog. And in this video, I wanted to show you how to create a multiple image post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the dashboard and I'm going to go ahead and add a new post. And I'm just going to call it test multiple image. That's all I'm going to do. Now I'm going to come down here, and before I add any content, I want to go ahead and I want to add some media is what I do. What I want to do, I want to add our gallery as a matter of fact. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click on Add Media. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on Create Gallery is what I'm going to do. So once I've done that, then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select the pictures that I want in this gallery. I want these four right here. These look really nice together. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of those. Okay. And then I'm going to hit Create New Gallery. Then it's going to go ahead and take me to this, and I'm going to go ahead and change some gallery settings here. First of all, it says, what do I want it to link to, these particular images? Do I want it to link to the attachment page, to the media file, or none? I'm just going to go ahead and tell it to link to the media file. Then it's going to say how many columns do I want. I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 columns. And then the type here, we have the choice between slideshow or thumbnail grid, and I'm going to go ahead and leave that at thumbnail grid. Then I'm going to click and place in Insert Gallery. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hit Enter a couple of times, and this is, just once I would say, and this is the content area of the posting. Just for an example so you can see where the content area is going to be. And once you've placed this in here, you can go ahead and, of course, change this. Let's say I wanted to change this to a heading 2 tag. That's not a problem. I can go ahead and do that. Remove that space up there if I want. Just format it like you regularly would any other post. Just this is your gallery, and if you want to edit that gallery, you can click right here and come in and edit that gallery. You can give captions to the images. You can remove the images. You can even reverse the order. And if I wanted to delete this gallery, I would click on this right here, and that would go ahead and delete the gallery. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and publish it, and then come out to the front, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to come back over here to the front page of the Lakeshore Express blog, and I'm going to refresh. And now down here, I've got a nice image. I've got a test multiple images. Here's our title, and down here I've got a nice grid of 4 different images showing a quick content area of just kind of showing a quick excerpt of that post. And then when I click here, it's going to take me directly to the page. All 4 images right there show us all of our content, and when we click on that, it's going to take us to a page with a completely full-size image from our gallery. So that is how you create multiple images or multiple image posts. Now, of course, if I wanted to delete this post, because we don't want this here, so I'm going to come over here and go ahead and send this to the trash. And there we are. And now it is gone. Now when I come out here and I go ahead and I refresh the blog, I come over here, and now we're back to where we were before. So, simple as that. That is how you create multiple image posts here in WordPress.